Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video concerning the massive earthquake spike that we've had at the moment. Like you see from this UGS, it doesn't look like much is happening, but when you go to the last 30 days, you can see this 20 number. 20 red alert earthquakes in the past 30 days. A red alert means damage to property or damage to people. Now, how this looks on the graph, this is probably the best graph to look at. You can see that, a month ago, maybe, um, beginning of December, you're down at like 10, and then started to climb up to around 13, 14 mark, the mid-January, and then from the last week, or last 2 weeks maybe, let me get a date on that. You have a look at the numbers, be better. So it's gone from 12, 13, 13 until the last week. It's gone 14, 16, 18, 19 yesterday, and then 20 today as I looked at it. So this is sort of a major spike of energy. Of course, we've got sort of war outbreak and stuff like that. So it's just a watchman's time, really. And Pastor Prophet Justin Roberts from End of the Age Bible Prophecy. God bless you all. Amen.